Hey CA Gray, this is Dream Factory News. We're your hosts Zach Allen
and Cambry Cerna.
This week we'll be talking about upcoming events, dress code, Chromebook Care, and World Mental Health Day. For your first bit of news,
why didn't Socrates like old French fries?
Wow.
Because they were made in ancient Greece.
Aha, it's very funny. Anyways, please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now for a moment of silence.
Let's not forget CA Gray's mission. CA Gray Junior High School's mission is to provide a community of supports to all students, to ensure a safe learning environment, and to equip all students with strategies for a successful transition beyond the junior high level.
Now on to this week's news. First up, let's look at Chromebook Care.
Oh my God, Janai, what did you do?
I didn't mean to.
Now, what would the teacher say about this?
I'm blaming it on you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
It was Adriana.
No,
Miss
it
Kelly. Miss Kelly. Miss Kelly.
What happened?
Miss Kelly.
Dang, though. Stop lying.
Calm down. You need to go to Miss Turner.
What did you do?
Miss Turner.
Gosh.
Adriana,
She broke it.
Oh, I see you have a screen break. This happens sometimes if pressure gets put on the outside or if you close your Chromebook with a pencil or something on the inside. We can fix this. Oh,
You
dropping
did it
doesn't
while
do
you
it.
lying. You dropped the. All right. Okay.
That's okay. We can solve this. So I'm
You're
gonna
paying for it.
write a bill and put your information on it. It's $25 for a screen break. Your parents can pay it in the business office to Miss Tucker. And then once that's paid, I'll check out a new Chromebook to you for you to use while I get yours fixed. While I get yours
Adriana,
fixed.
she broke it.
Okay.
This is why you shouldn't play with Chromebooks. You shouldn't have food or drinks around them. I am Naya, and I learned my lesson again.
So how could Janaya have prevented a situation like this? By being very careful with her Chromebook. Make sure you carry your Chromebook with the lid closed using 2 hands. Be gentle with it and always use it on a flat surface. Don't eat or drink around the Chromebook, and make sure your hands are clean before using it. Additionally, make sure your Chromebook is charged and with you at all times when you come to school. At the end of each class, make sure you have your Chromebook and not someone else's. And last, don't charge your phone or earbuds on the Chromebook. Here are some example charges. You could be paying a lot of money if you damage or lose your Chromebook, so CA Gray, be very careful.
October 10th and 14th are the 8th grade band nights. Any 8th or 9th grade band member who isn't already in the marching band can join the marching band at practice and at the homecoming game.
October 14th is also the pep rally, which will be held during 6th and 7th period, which is this Friday.
The pre-SAT is October 13th. If you're taking the pre-SAT, make sure you're ready.
The homecoming parade is the night of October 13th.
The 2nd annual PBIS Fall Festival is coming on Friday, October 28th, 2022. We will have fun, food, and fellowship. To attend the event, students must have completed U Science, and you cannot have any Chromebook charges on your account. The entry fee is $2 to attend. You may pay with $1 and 1 packer on the move as well. Armbands will be on sale the week of October 24th. Be sure to complete U Science and pay all charges by Wednesday, October 19th to attend.
Now for our featured school rule for this week, which is dress code.
Teen Maze was here at CA Gray last Thursday and Friday. Teen Maze is a game of life that engages and educates teens while having fun. Students examine the consequences of life choices in a hands-on, realistic, educational, creative, and fun way. During the maze, students walked through many different stations that illustrates various scenarios in which we may face peer pressure, STDs, teen pregnancy, mental health challenges, and more. The purpose of Teen Maze is to get us to think about our future as well as the consequences of our current actions.
This club rotation is FCA, FBLA, 4-H, Skills USA, LOT, Science, Math, Leo, and Photography Club.
Don't forget about the 8th grade band nights, the pep rally, the PSAT, and the PBIS Fall Festival. Always remember to take care of your Chromebooks and never loan it to anyone.
We'll see you next week, CA grade. This is the Dream Factory News, signing off.